A functional organizational structure is a type of organizational design that groups employees based on their functional expertise, or specialized skills. In this structure, employees with similar skills and knowledge are grouped together and report to a common manager, or department head who is responsible for that specific function. In a functional organization, departments are typically organized based on functions such as finance, marketing, human resources, operations, and so on. Each department is headed by a functional manager who oversees the activities and performance of the employees within that department. The main characteristic of a functional organizational structure is the clear division of labor and specialization. Employees within each department are experts in their respective areas and can focus on developing their skills and knowledge in that specific function. Advantages of a functional organizational structure include expertise and specialization. Employees can develop deep expertise in their functional areas, leading to improved performance and efficiency. Clear career paths. The functional structure allows for clear career progression within each specialized department, providing employees with a clear path to advancement. Efficient resource allocation. Resources and personnel can be allocated effectively within each function, as the functional manager has a clear overview of the department's needs. Standardization. Procedures and processes can be standardized within each function, leading to consistency and streamlined operations. However, functional structures can also have some drawbacks, such as communication and coordination challenges. Cross-functional collaboration and communication can be more complex, as employees are primarily focused on their specific functions and may have limited interaction with other departments. Silo mentality. The functional structure can sometimes lead to a silo mentality, where departments prioritize their own goals over the overall objectives of the organization. Slow decision-making. Decision-making can be slower due to the need for coordination and approval from multiple functional managers. Overall, the functional organizational structure is commonly used in organizations where specialized expertise and efficiency within specific functions are critical to achieving the organization's objectives.